Hey, it's Jules from Life's Art, and today we're going to paint a mural. Last summer I painted those 4 panels over there, and today I'm going to finish it off. Let's get started. I'm priming the wall with a medium tone of green. This green has a lot of yellow in it, so it'll keep the whole landscape looking warm. I like to do the edges freehand rather than using tape. That way I can get all the little white spaces around the wood panels. Here's the undercoat primer to match the other walls. Now I'm going to start with some details. I'm at Hiwan Golf Club in Evergreen, Colorado. I'm adding several shades of green to get a nice depth for the grass. After the background grass is finished, I can start adding the details like this tree. I'm using a round brush so it looks streaky like bark. Time to go home. See you tomorrow. Hello, day 2 in Hiwan Golf Club. Hey, good morning. It's day 2 at Hiwan Golf Club. Here's what I have so far. Today I'm going to be doing a bunch of details. I extended the path from that wall over this way, down and up, but I don't really like how it looks right here. So I'm going to be taking out that path and pretend that it just kind of ends over on that side. So I'm going to take out this path, and then I'm going to add a lot more detail to that tree and to the leaves. Setup time. Here are my tarps, very important for the beautiful plaid carpet. And now I'm using a dark green. This is house paint, and it always dries darker. So it looks very light here, but it's going to dry darker, and you won't even see that path in a little bit. Now I'm detailing the bottom of the path. It needs some depth, so I'm adding some brown, dark brown to the back, so it looks kind of shaded where it meets the grass. And now I'm putting some dirt, what looks kind of like dirt in the path there. I have a dark brown. Everything in nature reflects off of everything else. So I'm using this same dark brown in the path that I'll be using in the rock and in the tree. So I'm giving the rock some dimension so it looks 3-dimensional. So I've got this same dark brown, and I'm putting that in the tree here to give that some shape and some form. I'll be adding some more highlights and lowlights as I go. Time to scoot down and do this other side of the path here. Same brown. Time to stretch my legs, so I'm going to do one of the branches towards the top. I have a medium warmer brown, so it looks different than the path and a little bit warmer and richer. Now I'm going to put a branch where that original path was. I'm holding this with my left hand and painting with my right hand, so it's a little bit shaky. Here's the ponderosa pine leaf needles, little needles. They pop out of the branches like little fireworks. I have highlights and lowlights to make it appear 3-dimensional. I'm finished! Yay! Let's take a tour of all 6 panels. There's my dad elk. Isn't he cute? So I really like the way that the path kind of is integrated with the mural that I did prior to this. Hiwan Golf Club logo, founded in 1962. There's my baby elk and my mama elk and the signature hole, which has a waterfall in it. It's very beautiful. beautiful blues, warm sand pits, back to Dad Elk. And there's my dog Daisy. Hi Daisy. So I'm really happy with the way this turned out. It looks really nice with the carpeting and in the surroundings of Evergreen, Colorado. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel and watch other videos of mine so you can pick up on my artistic tips and tricks and become a better artist and have a fun time doing it. Thanks and have a great day.